Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn one more big friend addition formula. Big friend addition of 7 in a very simple manner. But before we start, let's have a quick recap of big friend addition of 8 and 9. Let's see if you're able to solve this. First one, 6 add 9. 6 add 9. How will I add 9? Do you remember the formula? Add 9 is add 10 less 1. So my answer is 15. Next one, 9 less 5. 9 less 5, we can do it directly. Add 8. How will I add 8? We don't have enough beads. So the formula goes add 10 less the friend of 8, that is 2. So my answer is 12. Next one, 18 less 2. 18 less 2. Add 9. Okay, how will I add 9? Again the formula. Add 10 less 1. So my answer is 25. Next one, 28 less 5. 28 less 5. Add 8. Again, we cannot do it directly. So add 10 less 2. So my answer is 21. I hope you are able to solve these questions. If not, then watch my previous videos on big friend addition of 9 and 8. You will find the link in my description below. Now let us understand why we should learn big friend addition of 7 formula, when and how we can use it. Let us look at these two examples. The first one, 4 plus 7. 4 add 7. I need to add 7. I can only add 5. I cannot add 7 directly. So I cannot do this. Okay. Let's look at the next question. 3 add 7. 3 add 7. Now how will I add 7? I can only add 5 and 1, 6. I can add 6 but I cannot add 7. So we cannot add 7 directly. So here we should learn big friend addition of 7 formula. Now we should know who is the friend of 7. Let us understand. I have 7 fingers here. I want to make it 10. How many more fingers do I need? 1, 2 and 3. So 7. Who's the big friend of 7? 3. Okay. So the big friend of 7 is 3. I can also say 3's friend is 7. Let us write the formula. To add 7, first I need to add the boss. Who is the boss? 10. So I add the 10 and I need to less the friend of 7. Who's the friend of 7? 3. So here I got the big friend addition formula of 7. Now let us solve these two questions based on this formula. First one, 4 add 7. 4 add 7. How will I add 7? Add 7 is add the 10 less 3. So I add the 10 and less 3. So my answer is 11. Next one. 3 add 7. 3 add 7 is add 10 less 3. Then add 2. So my answer is 12. Now we are going to solve these questions based on big friend addition of 7. And the formula is, for add 7 it is add the 10 less 3. Okay, let's start with the first one. 8 add 7. 8 add 7. So add 7 is add 10 less 3. And then add 4. Add 4. So my answer is 19. Next one. 9 add 7. 9 add 7. Add 7 again. Add 10 less 3. Again less 6. Less 6. So my answer is 10. Next one. 8 less 5. 8 less 5. Add 7. Again we cannot do it directly, so add 7 is add 10 less 3. So my answer is 10. Next one. 4 add 7. 4 add 7. Add 10 less 3. Then add 5. My answer is 16. Next one. 6 add 3. 6 add 3. Add 7. Add 7 again. Add 10 less 3. My answer is 16. Okay. Let's try these. 33 add 7. 33 add 7. Add 7 is add 10 less 3. Add 8. Add 8. We can do it directly. So my answer is 48. Next one. 14 add 7. 14 add 7. Add the 10 less 3. Less 1. So my answer is 20. Next one. 23 add 7. Add 7 again. Add 10 less 3. Add 9. We can do it directly. Yes. So my answer is 39. Next one. 59 less 6. Add 7. Again we cannot do directly. So add 10 less 3. So my answer is 60. The last one. 68 less 5. Add 7. Add 10 less 3. My answer is 70. We have solved all of these questions using big friend addition of 7 formula. If you have any doubt regarding when and how to use this formula, please write to me in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more updates, as in the next video we are going to learn big friend addition of 6. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of abacus with Fatima.